Assalamu alaikum. I am Zanim Imran. Welcome to Math Easy with Math Mentor. In this video, I will explain you how to expand and simplify the algebraic expression. So this is from exercise 7a. D2. So question 1, A part. 6x square plus 19 plus 9x square minus 8. So whenever you are going to solve the algebraic expression, first you have to collect the like terms. So in this case, you can see 6x square and 9x square are like terms and 19 and 8 are the like terms. So first I am going to write 6x square. When you are going to write 9x square, the sign with 9x square is plus. इसके जो पीछे साइन होगा दैट इज द साइन ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 9x स्क्वायर का साइन प्लस है. सो हेयर स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग मिस्टेक. वो जब 9x स्क्वायर ऐसे लिखते हैं तो दे आर चेंजिंग द साइन. नो नीड टू चेंज द साइन बिकॉज इट्स देयर आर नॉट इक्वेशंस. यू आर नॉट सॉल्विंग द इक्वेशंस. In equation we change the sign but not in algebraic expressions. So you have to just move this number here. Sign will remain same, 9x square plus 19 and 8 का sign क्या है minus 8. Now I am going to solve. These both are in plus. तो 6 plus 9 is 15x square plus minus you will do minus. So 19 minus 8 is 11. This is the answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's do B part. B part is x square plus 2x minus 7. So minus or minus, यहाँ you will open the bracket first if there is a bracket, and minus into minus is plus, minus 5x and minus 1. Now first I will collect the like terms. So ये x square and 11x square. These are the like terms. Now I will collect the x1, 2x and minus 5x plus 2x minus 5x. Remember, you will not change the sign here. Minus 7 and minus 1. These are the like terms. Now let's solve 11, and when there is nothing with the variable, so there is a 1. Okay, there is a 1x square. So 1 plus 11 is 12x square. Here also students, they are just writing 11x square. So that is wrong. When there is nothing with the variable, there is a 1. Plus minus, minus bigger number sign, minus भी करना है. It will be 3x. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. And then minus minus plus and bigger number sign. 7 और 8 को प्लस करेंगे. 1 को 8 आंसर. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Let's do C part. Okay, now I will open the bracket first. It's y plus minus minus 3y square. Now when there is a bracket, so you are going to multiply this with both the terms. 2 with y square and 2 with minus xy. So it will be plus 2y square and 2 multiplied with 6y, it will be minus 12y. Now I will collect the like terms. You can see these two are the like terms and 12y and y. So first I am going to write minus 3y square plus 2y square plus y and minus 12y equals to minus plus minus करेंगे. बिगर नंबर साइन माइनस 1y square, 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 1y and minus 12. It will be minus 11y. So this is the answer. Now D part. In D part, 5x square minus x and minus x square minus 10x. Now first in algebraic expression, if there is a bracket, to open the bracket first. So 5x square and minus x will remain same. Now when there is a minus sign outside the bracket, inside the bracket sign will be changed. Now you can see here it's plus, तो ये minus plus minus x square. Just change the sign inside. ये plus है तो ये minus है तो plus हो जाएगा 10x. Now collect the like terms. 5x square and minus x square, and minus x and plus 10x equals to plus minus minus करेंगे. 5 minus 1 is 4x square, minus plus minus and bigger number sign plus 9x. E part, minus, okay, there is a minus outside the bracket. 4x square plus 9x plus 2 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Okay. Now again there is a minus sign outside the bracket. Inside the bracket sign will be changed. It means plus minus हो जाएगा, minus plus हो जाएगा. ये plus है तो minus 4x square. This is also plus minus 9x and this is also plus ये minus 2y because there is a minus sign outside the bracket. Plus 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Now I will collect the like terms like minus 4x square and plus 3x square, minus 9x and minus 7x. Okay, you can see minus 2 and plus 2, they will cancel, become 0. So no need to write 0. माइनस 4 एंड प्लस 3 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर, 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. माइनस और माइनस प्लस करेंगे बट साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर, तो 16, 9 और 7 प्लस करेंगे 16x. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. एफ पार्ट, again there is a minus sign outside the bracket. 1 minus 7y minus 8y square plus 2 into y square minus 3y minus 1. So first I am going to open the bracket. Sign will be changed. Minus 1 plus 7y plus 8y square. ये plus 2 and there is a bracket, so you are going to multiply with 2. 2 into y square plus 2y square minus 3 into 2 6y, 2 into 1 2 minus 2. Now I will collect the like terms 8y and 2y square. 8y square plus 2y square. अब y का कौन सा है 7y and minus 6y plus 7y minus 6y and minus 2 and minus 1. 8 plus 2 10y square. 7 minus 6 is plus 1y, तो 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. माइनस माइनस प्लस करेंगे 2 और 1 3 हो जाएगा minus 3. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much for watching. This is D2 updated version, question 1 of exercise 7A.